Hey, good morning. This is Matt with 911R. I'm bringing a trailer or Avant-Garde. We have this 89's linen silver metallic Speedster on. It's coming up now. And this car has 3,000 miles on it. I have to say, the 89 Speedster is probably my favorite of all the cars. I mean, it's just the classic lines, the cool wide body, the cut down windshield, and just they're just one of the best in my opinions. So let's just walk around this car. This car is a pretty rare color in the linen metallic with the black leather interior. This car does have air conditioning. That was an option on these cars. As far as I know, there's only three options: sport seats, limited slip, and air conditioning. This car has the air conditioning. Coming around the car, you can see it has the cool, hard clamshell. It goes over the soft top assembly. And I actually really like the looks of these cars with the soft top up. We have some photos posted with the top up. And this top is in perfect condition. It looks really good. No seam rot or nothing. The back window is very clear on it. The large 16-inch wheels. This car has really nice Bridgestone tires on it. Coming around on the other side, you can see, just, how wide and prominent this car is with the turbo body on them. It's kind of like an M491, but it's the Speedster. So, plus 89 being the last year of the G-Body series. So you get the good G50 gearbox and the 3.2 Carrera motor, which is about bulletproof. They're such a wonderful motor, and they go forever. I'm opening up so you can see the engine bay here. This car is very, very original in every way there is. Look at the underside photos we posted. You can see it has all the original Cosmoline still on it. It all looks really good. You can tell this car was never used, but as a show or pleasure car. Any questions, let us know on the car. I'm happy to help out. We've got drive videos up on the car as well. If you're interested in 911R selling a car for you or helping represent a car on Bring a Trailer, hit us up with the contact seller button. Any questions on this car, use the contact seller button. We're happy to help out and show anything. Thank you very much.